Here at Material Evolution, we are aiming to decarbonise the construction industry by creating an ultra-low carbon binder material that will replace traditional cement. We have a target of trying to save 1 gigaton of carbon by the year 2040. MevoCem is our flagship product. It is a one-part alkali activated binder that will simply replace other powder materials on site. Today we are doing a ready mix trial with Grange Concrete, where we will be casting a large slab that is suitable for external paving. This will satisfy PAV2 classification in accordance with BS 8500.
What we did here today was about looking at ways that we can manufacture concrete without the use of OPC, which is something which is quite unique. The purpose was really to see if we could replicate normal concrete using material evolution powder.
Due to the method of polymerization that occurs in MevoCem, this results in higher chloride, sulfate and acid resistance, and therefore gives better durability to products.
Our relationship with Material Evolution started probably more than 12 months ago. We were excited by the product, the fact that there's no OPC in it whatsoever. So that was the first start of the talks, and here we are now with a product that's working. We've produced concrete today successfully. So hopefully this is the start of something new for Grange and for Material Evolution. I think in the industry as a whole, we all need to look this way, from small scale projects in somebody's backyard to 1,000 cube base bores and wind turbines. The potential's there, and as OPC is such a big carbon product, you know, these low carbon binders are going to be the way forward.
We could see some genuine structures being built without the use of OPC. Prior to having worked with Material Evolution, I probably wouldn't have said that, but here we are, we're actually making concrete without cement, and I didn't think I would see that.